Click on the link below to get price. The 2400-watt portable inverter generator is a remarkable blend of power, efficiency, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and those needing dependable backup power. With a robust output of 2400 watts, this generator easily handles sensitive electronics, appliances, and tools, ensuring that you remain connected and comfortable wherever you are. One of the standout features of this generator is its EPA compliance, which underscores its environmentally friendly design. This compliance not only means it's better for the planet but also speaks to its efficiency and fuel consumption. The Eco Mode feature is a game-changer, allowing the generator to adjust its power output based on the load, thereby conserving fuel and reducing noise levels. In fact, the generator operates at a whisper-quiet level, making it perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or even backyard gatherings without disturbing the peace. Portability is a key advantage of this generator. Weighing in at a lightweight design, it is easy to transport, making it ideal for adventures or emergency situations. The built-in carrying handle adds an extra element of convenience, allowing you to effortlessly move it from one location to another. Safety is also paramount, and the integrated CO sensor adds an essential layer of protection. This feature detects harmful carbon monoxide levels and automatically shuts off the generator, providing peace of mind during use. The user-friendly interface, with clear indicators and a straightforward start mechanism, further enhances its accessibility, making it suitable for both novice and experienced users. Overall, the 2400-watt portable inverter generator exceeds expectations with its powerful performance, eco-friendly features, and user-centric design. Whether you need backup power during an outage or a reliable source for your outdoor adventures, this generator is an invaluable investment, ensuring you stay powered up without compromising on safety or convenience.